Savor the flavors of the Arab world with these juicy and aromatic lamb koftas, served with a side of fragrant rice. Let's start with the ingredients. For the lamb kofta, 600 grams ground lamb, 1.5 small onion, finely chopped, 3 garlic clove, minced, 1.5 teaspoon ground cumin, 1.5 teaspoon ground coriander, salt and pepper to taste, olive oil for cooking. For the rice, 1.5 cup basmati rice, 3 cup water, pinch of salt, chop fresh parsley for garnish. Now with the preparation method. In a bowl, mix the ground lamb with onion, garlic, cumin, coriander, salt, and pepper. Shape the mixture into small oval koftas. Heat olive oil in a pan over medium heat. Cook the lamb koftas for about 8 to 10 minutes, turning occasionally until browned and cooked through. For the rice, rinse the basmati rice under cold water until the water runs clear. Cook the rice with water and salt according to package instructions. Serve the lamb koftas with the fragrant rice, garnish with fresh parsley, and enjoy. Hit the subscribe button and see you in the next video.